안녕하세요, 미스턴입니다. 저번에 약간 코피넛처럼 생기고 생글생글 잘 웃던 제이라네 집에 방문했었는데요. 그때 제이라 엄마가 자기도 일을 해서 돈을 벌고 싶은데 애기 때문에 밖에 나가서 하는 일을 못하고 집에서 이렇게 장사 같은 걸 하고 싶다고 했었는데, 감사하게도 많은 분들께서 후원금 보내주셔서 오늘 전달하러 왔습니다. 여긴 특이하게 농구장이 있죠. Tao po, Jaira. Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's go. Good afternoon. Asawa?
I'm
Oh, nice to meet you. Wow. This bicycle yours?
Yes.
Handsome.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can I open the door, sir?
oh yes. Wait. Oh, hi. 제이라. Hi. 엄청 잘 웃어요, 아이가. 제이라, school finish?
Yes.
What grade?
Grade 1 na sino po?
Grade 1?
Opo.
Husband,
I'm JR Sarun, JR Sulikas.
JR.
I'm 32 years old.
You very handsome.
Thank you.
And nice body, muscle.
Sanay ko sa trabaho.
Banat sa trabaho, nag
Work.
Like heavy work.
What is your job?
dati ka mo yung ano.
Tricycle driver in province, sir, but here in company, delivery.
Delivery.
Yes, sir.
Minsan kargador.
What you deliver?
Like pure gold, mga ano, sir.
Pure gold.
Yes.
So many product.
Yes, sir.
You deliver. You carry.
Carry, sir. Sir.
Drive and
And that's why may mga
muscle.
heavy.
But
But in the province, sir, I am tricycle
Tricycle
driver.
driver.
province where?
Jensan.
General
Mindanao.
Santos?
Yes po.
Ah,
I'm from General Santos.
Tokyo.
Yes, my neighbor, sir, in
Neighbor?
Jensan.
Sarangani.
Yeah. It's nearby my house. Manipakaya.
You came from very far.
Yes, sir. That to meet my
Really?
partner.
General Santos. I heard many tuna.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tuna capital,
Yes, sir.
sir. in
Capital.
Jensan. 6 years, sir, that I not.
Didn't go.
Yes, sir. Because so many matter that care the family.
Jaira, did you eat manginasa last time?
Yes.
Yes.
Tuwan-tuwa siya, sir. Very happy.
Very
nang
happy.
nakakain na siya ng mga inasal.
제이라가 엄청 생글생글 잘 웃죠. Last time you talked to me, you want to have your business here.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to sell?
Or ukay-ukay, sir. Embutido, like that, sir.
Food and ukay-ukay.
Yes, sir. To provide for every day, and I can help my children in Batangas. I want to send money for them.
Jaira, what do you want to be?
Teacher po.
Teacher. Why?
Bakit daw?
Para po matulungan ko po ang mga pamilya ko.
Yeah, very good girl. You work Monday to Saturday?
Friday, sir.
Monday to Friday.
And Saturday, Sunday, I'll find extra job. Start there to my work, 45 minutes.
Bicycle?
Bike.
Weekday you work delivery, pure gold, and weekend sideline.
Sideline, sir.
Yeah, you are very hard worker.
Yes, sir, because expenses. My salary every 15 and 30. My salary 5K. House 3K. Water 1,000. 1,000 also. And allowance on 2 weeks.
Every 15 and 30 salary day,
Yes, sir.
5,000, 5,000.
Yes, sir.
So,
sir.
1 month 10,000. 너무 조금 준다. I think very difficult to.
Yes, sir. Sobra. Very tipid. Jera,
Every
puro
morning,
candy.
almusal, egg,
Egg.
1
Ano
egg
to?
also.
Sa Jera, favorite egg. And chicken, sometimes.
제이라, do you
Extra.
like egg? Egg?
Egg.
Yes.
아빠가 엄청 성실한 것 같아요. 생긴 것도 잘생겼는데 성실하기도 하네. 제이라, do you like your father? 제이라,
You love me? Yes, I love you.
제이라, your father 구아뽀? I came here maybe last month.
Yes, sir.
I uploaded your video and many people watch your video. Many my subscribers they said Jaira is very cute.
Yes, sir.
Ano to say na? Ano sabi?
And
Thank you for
doon ka tumingin.
Here, here.
Thank you for Sarang Hamsanida.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Ayos ako na pa.
정말 많은 분들께서 제이라를 위해서 이렇게 후원금을 보내주셨습니다. Here.
Thank you so much, Mr. Yu Namsel, Mr. Choi Byung Moon, Mr. Yu Jiangsu, Mr. Kim Yu Jin, Mr. Choi Yung Song, Mr. Park Yun Hyuk, Mr. Zhu Jung Wan, Mr. Gu Jai Yong, Mr. Yao Chang Wu, Mr. Kyung Hwan, Mr. Jong Yong Men, Mr. Kim Tai Hu, Mr. Kam Chawan. Very thank you so much, sir, to all your subscribers
Maraming salamat, sir.
and the sponsors. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for
Most of Filipino they think all Korean rich, but no. Some Korean rich, some Korean not rich, and they work hard every day. Same like you.
But I know some Korean sir, it's very good heart. Her boss is Korean. I bow also the Korean sir. There's a good lot of Korean good heart.
Sometimes they give bread. Boss.
I work. JR, you merenda.
So this money is very precious money. So please don't spend easily.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Use for important thing.
Good sir.
Sir, may pang business ako.
Business, yes.
Pang business. Thank you po.
I want to talk to you also. Please listen carefully. Korean subscribers, they cannot help you again and again. So much better you think this is the last.
Yes, sir.
So if use this money, for example, if you buy food only, if you buy clothes, ubos money, you will
No good.
difficult again.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please use for your business.
Yes, sir.
So you can make income. You can help your children.
Sir. Yes, sir. I use my business.
Jaira, lunch finish? Lunch finish? What did you eat?
Ang ulam.
Anong ulam?
Dobong.
adobo po.
Adobo.
You want to eat, Mr. Wan?
Ah,
Rice.
busog na ako.
Nagluto ako para sa iyo.
Yung luto?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Ako ang nagluluto.
Siya nagluluto. Ako,
Kain.
Oh. Wow, you good in
Yes,
cooking.
yes sir.
Wow.
When I go home, I buy food to cook.
Oh. Why you don't cook?
hindi siya nasasarapan.
Not
She's
delicious?
not, he's very maarte.
Marte.
No.
Well-
Food lang, food lang.
Anyway, I think you are a good husband because you work hard and you cook.
We have been 8 years together, sir.
8 years.
That's the true love. I love him.
True love. Shira, why? Okay, ba?
Jera also.
Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Korean subscribers. 감사합니다.
Only that.
Oh, 불닭? Wow. For me?
Yes, sir.
For me? Wow, thank you so much, Jira. Thank you so much. Wow. Jira, see you next time.
Opo.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Thank you po. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Jera.